seeing them. You know, you hear the terms thrown out, oh, they're 300 kilos and the such, but until you go up and you actually, until you can see a silverback sitting there, you know, living, breathing, absolutely massive, it kind of gives you this awe-inspiring calm. They're very, very relaxed, and certainly they didn't seem to mind us there, so it was just an amazing experience, just thrilling.
Yeah.